రైతు భరోసా కేంద్రం. ఇది రైతు ప్రభుత్వం. The Department of Agriculture, Government of Andhra Pradesh. A landmark project by the Government of Andhra Pradesh under the aegis of the Department of Agriculture. Andhra is home to millions of farmers, their countless dreams and boundless enthusiasm. It's been our endeavor to connect their lives, dreams and ideas, enabling people to share happiness, evolve and prosper. While the government endures to harness the immense potential of this blessed land under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, the government has put forth a grand project to connect the districts, mandals and Gram Panchayats in a hub-and-spoke model for optimized flow of agricultural products, produces and essentials. This landmark project is being delivered in unprecedented ways within record timelines. The hub-and-spoke model will traverse the entire geography connecting remotest corners of Andhra Pradesh, thereby connecting the leaders and administrators with the farmers. To offer transparent, seamless and frictionless governance through a one-of-its-kind initiative to deliver benefits to the farmer at his doorstep than the farmer going in search of it.
ఏ ఒక్క రైతు కూడా కల్తీ విత్తనాలు గాని, కల్తీ ఎరువులు గాని, కల్తీ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ గాని తీసుకొని నష్టపోయే పరిస్థితి ఏ రైతన్నకు కూడా రాకూడదు అన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఏకంగా మీ గ్రామం దగ్గరికి తీసుకొస్తా ఉన్నాం. తీసుకొచ్చి గవర్నమెంటే స్టాంప్ వేసి మీ గ్రామంలోనే గ్రామ సెక్రటరీ పక్కనే ఒక షాప్ పెట్టి నాణ్యమైన విత్తనాలు, నాణ్యమైన పెస్టిసైడ్స్, నాణ్యమైన ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ నేరుగా మీ దగ్గరికి అందించే కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం కూడా చుట్టబోతా ఉన్నాము. ఇదే సంవత్సరంలోనే జరగబోతా ఉంది అని చెప్పి కూడా సగర్వంగా ఈ వేదిక మీద నుంచి తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను.
The Raitu Bharosa Kendra adds a new dimension to governance by making the flow of agricultural products, produces and essentials, both inputs and outputs, real-time with the ability of unmatched delivery and response times. Let us go through the journey of how the project will empower every AP farmer, making him a happy farmer and an informed farmer. The farmer at his village gets the facilities of ease of procurement of seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, access to localized information about weather forecast, soil fertility and harvesting, channel of disbursement for subsidies, grants and credit. The 11,158 fully operational centers spread across all the Gram Panchayats has state-of-the-art facilities in the form of the Agri-Input Shop along with the state-of-the-art kiosk, the Knowledge Center with audio-video facilities, the dedicated office area. The RBK centers will operate in a hub-and-spoke model with 65 mandal centers. Let's look at the farmer's journey within the RBK center. The Village Agriculture Assistant or VAA helps the farmer to use the Agri-Input Shop. Village Agriculture Assistants or VAAs are dedicated people from the villages to assist and train farmers in using the Agri-Input Shop. There is a VAA available at every Raitu Bharosa Kendram across Andhra Pradesh to assist farmers. The farmer opens the Raitu Bharosa Kendram app. He proceeds to buy the products of his choice by selecting and adding them onto the cart. He enters the registered mobile number and the OTP to check out and gets an order confirmation SMS. The Agri-Input Shop has 3 modes of payment: cash on delivery, net banking and pay at the village secretariat. Here, the farmer proceeds to the village secretariat, which is next to RBK Center for payment, where he receives a transaction slip in return. The farmer returns on the date of delivery and hands over the transaction slip at the product delivery center to finally receive his product. The farmer conveniently gets the right product at the right time and at the right price. The Agri-Input Shop is remotely administered and updated from the centralized management dashboard, and any issues in the Agri-Input Shop can be resolved immediately. The Agri-Input Shop also has upgradable infrastructure, and it has provisions to incorporate future accessories as well. The RBK centers form a connected ecosystem, and each group of centers are connected to a hub. A hub is a stocking place for all the products that are to be delivered to any RBK center. Each of the hubs are connected directly to the central head office of AP Agros, which places orders to and manages stocks by interacting with its vendor network. Alive is the knowledge center within the Raitu Bharosa Kendra, a place where farmers can assemble, learn from, interact with, video conference and educate others. The Knowledge Center nurtures a well-knit farmer community for all-around development. And to top it all, the RBK Center also has a dedicated group of government officials to help and guide the farmers all along the way. All of these facilities are made available throughout Andhra Pradesh to every farmer in every village, leading to a total of 11,158 RBK centers to help all our fellow farmers. These changes all over the state gives us an empowered farmer, a happy farmer and an informed farmer. Starting off this year with the inauguration of the Raitu Bharosa Kendram with the Agri-Input Shop and the Knowledge Center, many banks and ATMs with credit facilities in the year 2021 and establishing dedicated village economic zones in the year 2022. The Raitu Bharosa Kendra is a place where technology meets humanity, the voice of the people heard by their leaders every day, every moment. It's not just the technology that defines Andhra. It's our new journey, an endeavor towards becoming the happiest people on the planet.